Hi friends! Today we are looking at Merry and Bright from Catscraft. This is a fishbowl slime that's unscented. This is my first clear from Catscraft, but I already know it's amazing because so many of my reviewer friends have raved about them. This is a thick clear. Like, there's like a 99.9% chance that I bought this slime mostly for that cat charm. Just saying. But also, it's a phenomenal slime. Look how crystal clear that is. And the fishbowl beads just look, the whole thing looks like glass. I was mesmerized. It's really thick, but not so thick that you can't stretch it or pull it. Not the least bit sticky or tacky at all. It got a little tacky after inflation, but not too bad. Look at that. It's like glass. It's like water. The little Christmas light sprinkles had a note on them that said that they will tint the slime pink. So I didn't want to do that, so that's why I didn't put them in. But that little cat charm with the lights around it is my new baby, and I love her so much. Her name is Twinkle, by the way, and she lives on my charm board now. I'm obsessed with this slime. It makes amazing pops, amazing crackles and crunches. This is one of the best, if not the best, clear I have ever held in my hands. Probably top 3.